Kia ora, a warm Skinny Fishbone welcome to you again. The ocean, waves and water, all healing and cleansing. Sometimes healing begins when you stop running from the places your spirit remembers. Sometimes life takes us a long way away from people, away from places, and away from parts of ourselves. And after a while, we get so busy that we forget where we came from. But every now and then, something calls us back. A smell, a memory, a feeling we can't quite explain. And the spirit remembers before the mind does. Sometimes, your world is so loud, you choose not to listen to your own spirit, to your own intuition, to your own heart. But the spirit always remembers. Some places feel so familiar before you even understand. Before you even understand why. Like the spirit remembers something your mind forgot. The smell of the rain, the sound of water, the feeling of standing still, not to mention grandma's prickly blanket. And suddenly you feel a little more like yourself again. Listening to the feeling, that's the healing. And maybe that feeling was never really lost. Maybe it was waiting beneath all the noise, beneath all the rushing, beneath all the years spent trying to become somebody else. Because eventually, the heart gets tired of running. The heart gets so tired of running. You know, sometimes people spend a lifetime running away from the pain, running away from the silence, the memories, and running away from themselves. But eventually, the running gets so tiring. And maybe healing ain't always about becoming somebody new. Maybe sometimes it's finally stopping long enough to come home to yourself. Listening to your spirit, listening to your heart, that's a grounding, that's the true healing. Wow. And when the running stops, something else begins. The world feels different. The air feels different. And the places that always knew you start recognizing you again. You know, there's something powerful about standing somewhere where you belong. where you feel complete and your spirit feels recognized. And the land knows, and the wind knows, and the old stories know. And for a moment you stop feeling lost. Maybe home ain't a four walls building. It's a place where your spirit breathes easier. Whoa, it's a place your spirit feels easy, and that's the healing. Maybe home was never something you had to find. Maybe it was always there, waiting in the land, in the memories, in the people, in the stories. And maybe the journey was never about discovering somewhere new. Maybe it was about remembering where your spirit always belonged. Skinny Fishbone, peace, love and harmony, and that's the healing.